always knew when I bought this car from Matt, when I first picked her up in Cape Town, that I would be doing, something pretty special with her. I'd be taking her to the next level. And that was the idea. And I mean, just working out with Peter and seeing the way that and how beautiful this engine is, it's come full circle. It really has come a long way since the initial idea to do this. And it's actually crazy to think that we're almost done. I mean, we're almost there. So, yeah, I'm looking forward to it, I really am.